welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 mom hacks that I have used on a pretty much monthly basis for the past few years in my house. It's just going to be 5 mom hacks that will make your life easier as a mom. So the first thing I want to do in this video is to start off by saying Happy Mother's Day to all of you wonderful moms out there. I hope you have a fantastic day. This video is actually extra special today. This is a Mother's Day collab with a bunch of other ladies from YouTube, and I'm going to leave a playlist link down below in the description, and all of these other mamas are also going to be giving you guys 5 mom hacks. I'm really excited to see what kind of hacks they have in store for us, so when you get done watching my video, don't forget to click that playlist link down below and check out all the other mamas and their mom hacks. So the first mom hack is something that a lot of you probably already use. I found this hack on Pinterest like a few years ago, and I've been using it ever since, and it works really good actually. It's gonna be these baking cups that you would use for cupcakes and popsicles. So you're just going to take the baking cup and you're going to poke a hole through the middle and stick the popsicle in it, and then you're going to have something to catch all the drips so it doesn't make a mess. The second hack is marshmallows in the freezer when your kid gets hurt or they have a boo-boo. So all you have to do is take some marshmallows and a Ziploc bag and fill it completely up. Put the marshmallows in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then you have a marshmallow ice pack. My girls love these so much better. They always complain that the ice packs are way too cold. Hack number 3 is Fabuloso and Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. This is how I wash my girls' shoes. I came up with this hack completely on my own a couple years ago, and I have been using it ever since. It works so well. Instead of putting water on the magic erasers, you're just going to put Fabuloso, and it takes everything off the shoes. The only thing I recommend is you will have to wash the shoestrings every now and again. I don't do that every time because you do have to lace them back up, and that takes time. But watch how good this gets everything off the shoes. Hack number 4 is this bucket full of goodies. We just use this bin because it makes it so much easier for the girls to not overdo it on snacks. They tend to want to just go grab stuff in the pantry sometimes. So I ended up making this box, and now they know that they can pick one thing from the box, and that's what they get to enjoy as their snack for the night. Hack number 5 is a gallon storage bag and paint. I don't know about you guys, but my girls love to paint, and I hate for them to paint just because it gets so messy, especially with my 5-year-old. So what I like to do is add this paint to the bags and let them mess all over it. I will show you an example. Thank you guys so much for watching this video on the 5 mom hacks that I use to make mom life easier. Don't forget to check out the playlist below when you get done watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.